Eats and eats and eats and treats.
Welcome to Eats and Treats on Joy Holiday Channel. My name is Marissa and today we are celebrating Cinco de Mayo. We are making a delicious guacamole, which is my favorite. What you will need today for the guacamole is avocados, tomatoes, yellow onion, garlic, limes, and cilantro. All right, so today while we're making our guacamole, I'm gonna start off by dicing up our tomatoes. I like to de-seed our tomatoes. You can start off by quartering them. I always have a little waste bowl. That kind of helps, so then you don't have to constantly be going to the trash while you're prepping. Kind of stay in one place. What I've always learned is less steps is better. That way you are more efficient and you can get things done quicker in the kitchen. That way you can eat a lot faster. Now that we have all of our prep ready, we're gonna go ahead and assemble our guacamole. We're gonna take some diced tomato. Now feel free to add as much tomato or onion as you prefer. I love a couple tomatoes and a couple onions. I've done 1 clove of garlic. Now we're gonna cut our avocado in half. And I like to reserve our seed. That helps the guacamole to not turn brown once you've already assembled it. And another little trick I like to do is after it's all mixed together, I place a paper towel over my guacamole and squeeze some fresh lime juice on top of the paper towel, and that seals in the freshness and avoids your guacamole from oxidizing and turning brown. So my favorite place to get guacamole is straight from the source in Mexico. We visit as a family, we go to San Carlos, and that's on the Gulf side of Mexico, and they make a delicious guacamole there. Not too spicy and just delicious. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fold in our avocado with the rest of our ingredients. Now this is also where I squeeze in the fresh lime juice. Now when you're picking limes, make sure you get the ones that are a little bit on the softer side. If they're still rock hard, then they're not ripe and they're not ready, and they won't have any juice in them. So I'll start off by juicing 1.5 limes. We'll add just a pinch of salt. Give that a nice little mix here. And thanks for joining us on Eats and Treats today. If you've enjoyed watching our guacamole recipe and want to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Joy Holiday Channel, or you can follow us on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'll see you next time. Another fun fact, Cinco de Mayo is actually more about the American Civil War than it is Mexican independence. To learn more, go to Joy Holiday Channel. Now for the guacamole. So good.